The problem is not every car has streaming. What I mean by that is I want to get the music from my phone into that stereo. If I want to listen to a podcast, I want to listen to my playlist, or I just want to listen to a YouTube video in the car, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem with this FM modulator plugged into your cigarette lighter in less than 30 seconds. If this sounds good to you, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Welcome to Cardio Obsessed, and my name is James.
All right, guys, here we are on the screen. I'm going to click Bluetooth. I click it. Now, I'm going to turn my ignition on in the vehicle. All right, you'll see some other devices you go through, and then there it is. It's the AT28. I click on it. I hit pair, and there you go. Now, it was really that easy to pair the phone to it.
So here's the standard car, guys. You know, it's just a CD player with a volume up and down and tuning. Very basic. This is a 2000. You might have a newer vehicle from this, or maybe your radio has very integrated heater controls. Maybe it's cost prohibitive of why you don't want to change the radio. But here we go, okay? So right now you'll see here, and I put it, like that's my cigarette lighter. Like I was saying, it can be located anywhere in the vehicle. I plug it in, and you're going to see 88.7. Okay, so consequently, I'm going to turn this up. I'm going to look for 88.7 is right here. So right now, this is transmitting from my phone. And I can actually change the radio stations. Sorry, I'll go back. The songs from my phone by doing this. All right. Now you'll notice it's blinking. Okay, so it says 88.7. So if I do it again, I press it and it starts blinking, I can change this. Let's just say 89.3, and I press it again. All right, so then I look for 89.3, and here I am again. So it's pretty slick. You'll also notice down here, you'll see it says 89.3, and it also says 12.7. That's actually voltage from the battery. So I'm going to go through, I'm just going to turn this down. And here we are again. So now I'm going to start the car. And now you'll notice it went from 12.7, waiting, to 15.1. So that's just showing my alternators working and stuff, guys. It can also save you from a dead battery, because you might not realize you might be sitting for a long time. Let's just say waiting in traffic, or maybe turn your car off, or waiting for a ferry or something. You don't want to kill your battery, so you get a little bit of an extra fun with it, okay? So now, I'm going to show you here. You're going to see two ports, here and here. This one says 3.1 with a note. This one has a note with a lightning bolt. That means both of these charge. The one with the 3.1 right here means it's quick charging. So if you have a Samsung or an iPhone or any kind of bigger phone, you need to use more current now to charge it, and also charge it very fast. And if you don't, so if I use the small one over here, it'll take forever. Just like if you buy one of those chargers from the gas station or one of those cheap chargers, it just doesn't work. And that's why, if you ever notice, usually the ones that plug into the wall are the best. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug it into here. All right. So I'm going to turn this up, and you'll notice we have a song playing. Now, when you go down here, you're going to see these two arrows. So now I can actually switch tracks of the actual USB stick. Pretty neat, eh? So like I said, now I'm transmitting from here and not my phone in this case. So you can do it both ways. I'm just going to turn it back down here. There we go. So, like I said, this solves a lot of problems and makes it very easy. So now you get full compatibility, because what if you have a radio station on the same station, or you're driving through, you can change it, which is pretty cool. Now I can do USB, so now I can do that in my work van, and now I can do it from the phone. You'll notice too, it has a phone button, so you can actually answer the phone, and you can actually hang up the phone if you're on Bluetooth. I prefer it for hanging up the phone. Now I'm just going to pop this out, and you're going to notice right here, I'm going to swing it around. There might be 3 holes, if you get the angle right there. So that's a microphone, okay? So the only one thing is when you're answering phone calls and stuff, it uses this microphone. And so I don't like it that much, but let's face it, usually you're doing this to stream music or Spotify or anything like that is the real reason. You're not really worried about answering the phone as much. So keep that in mind when it goes through it, guys. All right, if you have any questions on this, please go in the comment section below and throw a question. Now, I know you're going to see lots of these on Amazon, okay? But what I want to say is I've tried this one, and I'll get more into it. So as I was saying, I've tried this one. What I mean is because a lot of them will have like a into it, right? So that's the only thing that happens. That's kind of makes it a little bit harder. And also when it's with charging and with USB, I didn't have any noise problems, and I really like that, okay? I even think this one's even less than 20 bucks USD right now. So it's a great deal and solves a lot of problems. Now, if you do want to go a little bit deeper and want to see what it is to change your radio out, I'm going to put a video here. It'll show you how to do your radio, but if not, this is an awesome solution. I will put a link in the description below to purchase one of these, and I hope this solves your problems and makes you make your life a little bit better, have some more fun, and enjoy the music while you're on your drive.